Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Taurus, we are picking few cards. So first for your general energies, for your relationship and for your career situation, Taurus. And I also have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading coming right after this general reading. So if you are interested to watch that, you can watch that, guys, after this general energy. So let's see. We have Nine of Swords, Page of Cups, and Wheel of Fortune. So in your situation, Taurus, you are facing some kind of difficulties. Maybe you have done some mistakes and you are feeling really guilty and you don't know which way to go today. So it may be in your career or some circumstance in your personal life. So some kind of emotional block you are having about your situation, and you are in your heart of hearts, you know that it is your mistake, but you are not accepting that, guys. um, so you are not willing to accept your mistakes. Maybe you don't want to, maybe you are blaming someone. You don't want to take that responsibility for these mistakes. It may be in your career or it may be some situation in your personal life. So you are afraid of something, or you fear that this person may leave you if you accept those mistakes. So you don't want to open your heart, have that open communication with this person, or you are really what to say, um, you are not ready to accept the truth today, Taurus. So you have some kind of intuition telling you today that it is your mistake and you have to make the steps to redeem those mistakes or reverse those mistakes. But you are not ready to do that. So you fear the outcome in your situation. So it may be something to do in your personal life, guys. But I also see that whatever your situation is, whatever is happening today, it is all destined for you, guys. So something is making you do certain things. Maybe in your situation certain things are going or all right for you. Maybe certain choices you have made for yourself that is working out in the right way, but in certain choices there are a few obstacles, difficulties, that again may be because things that are supposed to reach you will reach you no matter what. So that is what I call destiny in your situation, guys. So that is the reason why things are going in a particular way in your life today, Taurus. So for your relationship, we have Hermit in reverse. So with this card in your situation today, guys, maybe you are afraid of something. That is what we were speaking about. So you are afraid to um, accept your mistakes or reveal your mistakes and move forward in life in this relationship. So you are scared whether this person may leave you. You are maybe trying to be very cautious. But Taurus, truth weighs more than anything in the world. So if you are truthful to them, they will what to say, like that truth in you, and this person will accept you just as you are. That is what I feel, guys, with these cards. So no need to fear. So for your career, we have Moon in reverse. So in your situation again, guys, Taurus, There are certain things that are, what to say, deceiving you on that. On the surface it may look like a good path or a good decision, but you need to be careful, guys, because there may be some truth hidden in those choices, and you are not aware of that reality of those choices, or it may be regarding people in your career situation, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. So we have two cards from the fairy tale oracle. So it is going to be your fairy tale. So you can think about your situation for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. Choose whichever card comes first, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, now let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is for those who have chosen this card. It is the Light Princess and Grounded. So, with this card, guys, the energy, this card just means you need to be grounded and you must take steps to reconnect. Maybe in your situation today, maybe you are escaping maybe from something, facing some people, or trying to escape from your responsibilities, or trying to escape from certain situations, circumstances. And this card stands for that emotional experience that we face, that we have, and that memory and intelligence and that honest examination of the past, which will give rise to that awakening in ourselves and empathy and true intelligence and learning what we get through our experiences. So we need to be really grounded, ready to face any circumstance, any situation, rather than escaping from it or trying to escape from that situation. Maybe because we feel that it is really painful. So, today, maybe for some of you, you are in a particular circumstance, you are not willing to face the reality today, guys. Maybe it is time you have to take a serious outlook on life. So, you want yourself to be immune to that pain or sadness or stress, but only when you experience that pain, sadness, you will grow emotionally and spiritually, and you will be moving towards reality, and you will be moving towards a true meaningful connection in your life. So you need to be really grounded. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the story for you all with this first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who have chosen this card, Gretel. So this is the card for you all, guys. So this card means you have that courage to face any difficult situation in your life. So when you are up against a difficult circumstance, you have that courage and you do not want to you show your best when you are under pressure, great pressure, and you have proved again and again in your life that you are reliable for friends and family. So you work well as a team, guys. You work well with people, and you unite with people to work against maybe some a common enemy or some common problem that you have, and you are very quick thinking, resourceful, and protective. So, this may be your story, guys. So, you help people, you influence them with your courage and confidence, your willpower, determination. And maybe people around you, it may be the younger generation, or it may be your siblings or children, or people younger to you, it may be your friends or people, colleagues in your career. You simply influence them with your courage and confidence, guys, to do well in life, be steadfast, be responsible to their duties or whatever responsibilities they have, and have that what to say, determination in your heart to endure anything that comes in your life and face any drastic situation. So, maybe for some of you, you are under great pressure today, some kind of a difficult circumstance has come up, and you are bracing yourself to face that impact, guys, in your life. So, you are courageous, you have that willpower strength, and you do not have fear no matter what your situation is. And maybe sometimes we must let ourselves to experience that fear in its raw and in the most real way, to get that valor and ideas we need to implement to overcome that situation. So, whatever dangers or whatever circumstances that you are afraid of, you need to face it with courage, guys. So, that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the second fairy tale. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.